All right, I'm ready to start doing some edits on my puzzle project here. I need to make sure I've got the correct layer selected. So my image that I am changing, it's going to be the one with the key on it. That's going to be layer 1 down here. I can make sure by clicking the on and off button for that layer. Anytime I edit something, I want to make sure this layer is selected. If I have an error or any problems, it's probably because I'm not on this layer. So one thing that you guys can do, and you have to do this at least to one different object, is you need to change the color of something. So I'm going to change the Phillips 66 sign here. Go to my selection tool from exercise 2. I'm going to use my magic wand. I'm going to click this and select this area, get all the red that I can. Select as much of it as I can by adding more selections to it. All right, so I got all that. And if you remember from exercise 2, this is the only thing that's going to be edited. So to change this color, I need to go to Image, Adjustments, Hue and Saturation, click Colorize. Now I can adjust and change that color to whatever I want. I'm going to make it a blue. Okay, then I can deselect this, select, deselect. So now since I've done a change, I need to put this on some type of answer key so that way I know what the changes are. So what I'll do is I'll open up a Word document. I go to my search bar here, I can type in Word, click Word 2013, blank document, make it a little smaller. So this change, it's here, it's at about E10 is about where it's at. So I'll put E10, Phillips, 66 sign, color change, enter. Now I can go back and start doing some more edits. I can do my clone stamp tool. I can use selection and copy and move something. I'm going to change my Hilton sign up here. Again, I'm on layer 1. Grab my selection tool. Draw around this H a little bit. Go to edit, copy, edit, paste. I can put it over this other object. I can change the size a little bit if I need to. Hit my check mark. So now I've got it as the Hehan. Now if you notice, I made a new layer here when I pasted that. So I've got layer 3 now on top of layer 1. If I want this to merge down, I can right click it. It merged down. Now it's on that layer 1 where my image is. So now it's that one object. Again, I have another change, so I need to put that down somewhere. So that B15 is about where it's at. So B15, Hehan Hotel change. Now you guys will use all your different tools. You can add filters to it. I'm going to add a filter to this N here. I'm going to use my selection tool, use the magic wand to do it quickly. Select the N. I can go to filter, filter gallery. And I can add one of these different filters to it. I can zoom in on my selection. I'm going to do glowing edge, hit OK. Now I've done a filter from exercise 3. Just let me change that color. Again, I need to change this, and I'll put this in my answer key. So D15, filter on N. You guys will keep doing this, changing, removing things, clone stamping things, whatever it is to make this creative, make this hard. You'll do this again a total of 8 to 10 times. And again, every time you do a change, make sure you always go back and add it to your answer key.